Hi, today I will talk about linked list. What is linked list? Linked list is basically used to overcome the limitations of array. Now what are the limitations of array? Biggest limitation of array is that we must know array size in advance. Or you can say we must know size of array before starting any program. But in case of linked list, dynamic memory allocations are used. So linked list can be defined as a collection of objects or nodes which are randomly placed in memory. So if we specifically talk about singly linked list, there are two parts in every node, or you can say every node is divided into two fields. First is data field and second is address field. Here you can see I have taken an example where three elements are stored: 1, 2, 3. This is a node and node is divided into two parts, data part and address part. First part carries the actual data or element and second part carries the address of next element. Here 200 is the address of second node. So in the data part 1 is stored and in the address part address of next node, that is 200, is stored. And as there is no address of fourth node, so we have stored null in order to indicate end of the list. And there is a special pointer head that always points to the first node. Thank you.